Hey everybody, welcome to the Real Show Barbecue. Today's video is a very special video. I'm doing a collaboration with several different YouTube channels and we're calling it #FreedomRibs. Basically, we decided we're going to cook ribs traditionally like we would do here in the States. But we also have one YouTuber that is from Canada. He said he pretty much cooks like we do, and I was like, hey, you can join in with us as well. Now, I'll be listing below in the Show More section the channels that are participating in this collaboration, and also coming up in a slide, you'll see a list of the names. Be sure to go check out each one of them, show them some love. I'm looking forward to seeing what they're going to do. I know it's going to be awesome. So let's get started on the ribs that I'm going to do today. The ribs that I decided to do are just traditional pork ribs, St. Louis cut, and I thought it would be appropriate for this collaboration to use a company called Veterans Cube. I'm going to be using both of their seasonings today, both of their rubs. One is a beef and then one is a chicken and pork. I'm going to just layer it with both of those. This one right here is a savory. I think it'll go well with the sweeter chicken and pork. And I'm going to be using their original barbecue sauce. Now, if you're not familiar with this company, I will leave in the Show More section how to get in touch with them. But they are a veteran-owned company, and 100% of their proceeds go to Credible Veterans Association. Great organization. Also, several of us in this collaboration are veterans, so please be sure to support this company and as well as the rest of us in this collaboration. I greatly appreciate it. Now what I'm going to do is I have already washed and dried and removed the membrane on the back, and I'm going to be using some duck fat spray today as my binder. This is actually the first time I've used the duck fat on ribs. I know it's going to be great. Get us a nice coating all the way around there. I'm going to start on my back first of the ribs. And I'm going to start off with their beef rub first. Is my first layer. Again, this is a savory rub, so it's going to have a little bit more salt and so forth in it. Just get us a nice coating, not a whole lot on the back. And then the next layer is going to be their chicken and pork rub. Okay, that's our first layer, or our first side. Put our beef down first. Now chicken and beef, excuse me, chicken and pork. Okay, we've got our layers on here. I'm going to let these sweat out and we're going to go out to the grill and get it started, and I'll show you what I'm using today as my grill. Okay, as you can see, we're using the Poman grill. If you're not familiar with that, I'll leave information below. Also, up here in the iCard, I will leave a recent video I did where I cooked a prime rib that turned out phenomenal in this Poman grill. It's basically like a barrel grill. It's a trash can that's been coated, and it works basically like a barrel grill would work. It's got some great features on it, just a unique, awesome idea for a cooker. Now it's a little bit narrow as far as length and so forth. It's a little bit shorter, I guess you could say. So what I've had to do is I had to go ahead and cut this rib in two, and it comes with these like skewers. This right here is basically what you would run through the meat and let it hang on the meat So I'll show you that once we get it out there. But I thought this was another appropriate product to use for this collaboration. Simple idea, but is a phenomenal invention for a cooker. Okay, it's been going about 30 minutes. I've got a little piece of cherry in there today. So again, we're just going to take our ribs, hang them in there like that. Space them out just a hair. And we're not going to worry about any type of temperature gauge today. We're actually going to let this go and trust the process that Po-Man puts out there on our website. We're just going to close it up, leave it about a half an inch to a quarter of an inch open, the lid, and every so often I'm going to come out here and check it and spray some apple juice on it. And we're looking at about an hour, 45 minutes, 2 hours. So we'll show you back in just a little bit. So we'll go ahead and cover this up and come back and check on it and give it a spritz with some apple juice. All right, we've been cooking for about 30 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and spray them right quick. Hopefully you can see, you got some great color already. So spraying with this apple juice. This is just a spray bottle that most people put oil in it, but I thought was good for this apple juice. I'll leave a link below how you can get it if you're interested. Yeah, nice color. All right, we'll put the lid back on. All right, we've been another 30 minutes. We're gonna check these out. Wow, starting to get some pullback. These are really turning out great. I'm gonna spray them again. Really, really nice color. So we're into it for about an hour. It may not take an hour and 45 minutes. We may be looking at about an hour and a half or less. I think what I want to do is switch these. Like it's burning a little bit hotter on this side. And this, you don't want to touch that, it's hot. Let's see here. Cover them back up, check them back, and I'm going to check them back in about 15 minutes, see how they're doing, and then we may have to go ahead and put some barbecue sauce on them. All right, we're 15 more minutes into this. We're going to check them out right quick, and I can tell these are ready to be sauced. Nice pullback on here. We're going to take these off, put it on our cutting board. Put some of this Veterans Cube barbecue sauce on it. Oh my goodness, I wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good. All right, we're gonna get them back on. There, my top fell. All right, close these back down. About 15 minutes, and we'll give them a taste. Here are the finished ribs. Look at the amazing color they have on them. Nice back. We're gonna slice into these. See how we're doing. This is like the thinner side here. Still plenty juicy. Can you hear that juice is in there? Look at that. You talking about perfection. Look at the smoke ring and that juice. Nothing but awesomeness right there. These turned out so good. I know they're gonna be just as tasty. So let's try them right quick. All right, here we go. Again, another shot. Nice smoke ring. Really juicy. We're gonna give it a bite. Look at that. Yes, yes, yes. Oh. Man, I can't stop eating them. That is so tender, juicy. Those two rubs together, get them. They work perfectly together. Again, one of them was marked beef, the other was marked chicken and pork, but they work really good together with these pork ribs and that original sauce. Great, great stuff together. All right, there's my ribs for this hashtag Freedom Ribs collaboration. I hope that you really enjoyed it and try these products. They're awesome. Be sure again to check out all the guys' channels that is going to be part of this collaboration. I know that they're going to do something great. All super good guys. If for some reason you're not subscribed, I hope you will consider subscribing. Until next time, God bless.